and welcome to this week's What's Hot on Tuesday, because today is the 22nd of February, which is the second month of 2022. And what were you doing at 2:22 p.m. on the 22/2/2022? Well, unfortunately, it's also the day when the world is responding to Russian President Vladimir Putin ordering troops into two rebel-held regions in eastern Ukraine. On Monday, he recognized them as independent states. Me personally, it's not in his gift to do that, or anybody else's. However, stock market behaviour was typical. The UK stock markets opened lower, and then they were lifted by the oil stocks, which are benefiting from the climbing oil and gas prices. The price of Brent crude, which is an international benchmark, reached a 7-year high. Now, of course, they are climbing on fears that that Ukraine-Russia crisis will disrupt supplies across the world. So BP and Shell rose on the FTSE 100. On the junior markets, we saw increases in Hurricane Energy and NTOG, which is short for Nostra Terra Oil and Gas. They tend to benefit from those higher Brent crude prices. Well, investors in BP and Shell are also due for rewards in another way. They're going to be rewarded in terms of bigger or more frequent dividends as the energy companies buy back their shares. Now, going back to it not being in Putin's gift to anoint countries with whatever status, neither was it in the gift of the former boss of Morse's Club to sell shares just days before the subprime lender announced a profit warning. Now, the ex-chief executive, according to his LinkedIn profile, is also a member of the Financial Conduct Authority, which doesn't say much for him. And it certainly doesn't say anything about the integrity of the regulator. Now, surely that is criminal. And there's attrition at OCTP, which is the ticker for the Oxford Cannabinoid Technologies Holdings PLC. It's a pharmaceutical company developing prescription cannabinoid medicines and is backed by rapper Snoop Dogg, or at least his venture capital fund. Well, the co-founder, who is also an 8% shareholder, is also a former non-executive director of the company, and he is calling for a general meeting to propose the removal of the current management and the installation of the new. Well, it does sound like a playground spat to me, and we'll watch this one as that announcement was superseded by another investor update, an operational update, which highlighted good progress being made across all four of the group's current drug development programs and a robust balance sheet, debt-free, with cash reserves of approximately £12 million. Still, there's rumours of a takeover and intervention from big pharma companies. Now, in terms of intervention, let's hope that there's resolution and not revolution in Eastern Europe. Stay well, stay safe. I'll be back same time next week.